Hello everyone, this is my project which is created using Django as a backend and Django Templating engine as a front end. To style the templates, I have used Tailwind classes and HTMX for a dynamic rendering of the web pages. So this is my landing page if we will go into localhost. So I will click on the get started button. This navigates me to a login page. So since I want to show you the full functionality of the application, so instead of logging into an app, I will register a new user. So let's say we have new user with the name UL3. So for instance, I insert a wrong password, so it will give me an error that password doesn't match. So this functionality is being implemented using Django forms and validation classes. So let's say we created a user. So now this user is created. So we can log into this user. So once you will log into this user, it will present us with this screen, which is a timeline. It's very similar to Twitter, and we can submit new posts here. But instead of submitting new post, I will go to a profile. So it gives us an error. Profile is not found. Click here to create a profile. So I will click on the create profile button, and it shows me a uh, for three fields, which all three fields are mandatory to be filled. So I will select a country. So for example, I will select United Kingdom. My birth date, I have a validation that today's date cannot be selected. So it should be something before it. So I will select January 21 randomly, okay, and then date will be 6. And then I have selected an image. So it navigates it. The profile is saved now. We can go and see that the profile is saved, and it now shows us the profile update button. So we can click on this profile update button. For instance, I want to change the country from United Kingdom to United States of America. So now our profile is updated. So once we will click on the profile from the navigation bar. So as you can see, now my country is changed to United States of America. So this was related to updating a profile. We can submit a new tweet from the timeline. The text is mandatory here. So if I will try to submit, for instance, it will give me an error that please fill out this field. So I have filled this field, but we can post without selecting an image. So, but as I want to show you the full functionality, I will select an image. Image is selected, and we can submit this tweet. Now I will submit another post. So as you can see, these posts are dynamically rendered, and it is being shown without loading the full page. Okay. Now I will have two functionalities available here. One to edit the post and the other to delete post. So I will first edit, add an image. As you can see, my post is edited now. Now I can delete my post also. So it gives me a confirmation that are you sure you want to delete? So I will say okay, confirm. So you can see that the post is deleted now. Okay. The second functionality implemented in the application is related to friends. I have clicked the friends. So now I am in UL3. So I have one user already created with the name Ahmed. So I will search for it, and it give me a list of all users with the name of Ahmad. So instead of Ahmad, for the instance, I will write UOL. So I have all the users with the name UOL, University of London. So instead of this, I will search for the name of Ahmad, and I will send request to Ahmad. Okay. So it gives me a confirmation that friend request has sent to Ahmad. Now I will log out from this UOL3 user and log into UOL1 user. It also has one post already available. I will again go to Ahmad, search, friend search, and write a name Ahmad. Then I will send another request to the Ahmad. I am now using another browser to log into my account with the name Ahmad. So I will log into this account and then navigate to a friends tab. So as you can see, there are two friend requests pending for me to accept. So I can accept one request. Okay. So it is showing that UL1 is now under my friends circle, and then there is a message on the top. So let me accept the other request too. So now both of these users are under my friend circle. So for example, if I want to delete one of the friend request, so I will click this and it will be deleted with the message friend is deleted. So this is the way how we can accept the friend request. I want to show you the UOL3 friends dashboard as well. So let me navigate, log into UL3. So now we are into UL3 friend dashboard, which is showing two messages. So one, Ahmad is showing in under the friend request, and UOL1 is showing as pending. One more feature which we can see, for example, if we click here, we can navigate to a profile of a user, and this could be same in under search as well. So we can navigate from here also, and it is showing that we are now friend. Once we will do a search for a friend which is already appearing under my friend circle, so we will have delete button available here under the search result, or also available under the friend circle list. So I can navigate to a profile from here as well. Okay, see, we can go to navigate to this profile of Ahmed. So this is all about sending requests, accepting requests, and showing the friend circles. As you can see, UOL1 is logged in. We can go to the friend tabs, and then both of us are being shown under the friend circle. Okay. So let me send friend request to UOL3 also from here. So this is being sent to UL3. So now I will log out from here. So it is being shown as pending request in UL3 friends dashboard. Now we can see the chat functionality of the application. Here you can see I have two browsers open, one with the username UOL1 and another one with the username Ahmad. So we will go to the chat. Okay. So as you can see, there are three spaces already created. Okay. So we will go into one of the space to see what is appearing there. So I will click this. So there is a chat history for the existing sessions happened between the users. So instead of continuing with the same room or space, we will create a new one. So we'll go here. Let's create a new space. UL web AWB UL AWB. This is a new space name. So After submitting, I am into the new chat room which is just created. So I will just send a message. Hi all. So let me refresh here, and then we can also join this. So for this user, since this user is joining now, it cannot, it is showing a previous session message to him. So he will reply. So it is getting updated real time. As you can see that the chat session is live and the message is being sent from just one user are being shown to the other another user on a real time basis, and there are many other users who can also join this chat room. So let's go out from this chat room. For example, this user went out, so the session is closed for this user. So once he will go inside this room again, there will be a confirmation. Okay, and then he can see all the chat happen between him and any other users within that chat room. So this is all about my application which is built using Django and other technologies. I hope you liked it.